Welcome to this quick guide to creating products in BillPro. Before you can accept payments, you'll need to set up your product catalog. So first, let's look at the types of products in BillPro. BillPro supports 4 types of products. Single payment products are for one-time purchases. Installment products are for a deposit amount and multiple payments over time. Subscription products are for regular periodic billing. And metered products are for usage-based or pay-per-use billing. You can manage your product catalog in the Products section, where you can create pricing elements, groups, units, and your products. To create a new product, first enter a product name. We recommend you also enter a product ID. Then, you can select a product group and a unit of measurement. Groups are for organizing your product catalog. For example, an insurance provider might have different groups for home, car, and watercraft policies. You can filter by groups to find products. Units define how products are sold and their pricing increments. Examples of units are item, hour, month, or plan. When you create a product, by default, it is active and you can use it in orders. To describe your product for customers, you can enter a short description and a long description. BillPro displays the descriptions at checkout and in email notifications. Then, you must enter a product price. This is the total amount for single payment or installment products, or the monthly payment for a subscription product, or the initial charge for 1 unit of a metered product. To make pricing faster and more accurate, you can use pricing elements. Fees add extra charges to increase the price of a product. Discounts decrease product prices by a percentage or an amount. And taxes display the tax included in the final product price for information only. Create these elements before you create your products. After you enter pricing, you can select the product type. You can then set the payment configuration for the specific product type. Remember that for single payment products, you can also split payments in an order to create an installment order. If you lock pricing and payment configuration for a product, users can't change them when they add the product to an order. If you want the users to be able to change the payment terms, you can lock pricing only. So, for example, now users can accept a single payment for an installment product. Now you understand the basics of BillPro's product management system. And you can check our documentation to find out more about specific features and workflows. Thanks for watching.